When you look at an automotive wiring harness, it may seem simple, but the manufacturing process behind it is anything but. It starts with wire selection, choosing the right conductor insulation, and gauge based on heat, vibration, and electrical load. Then comes cutting, stripping, and crimping, where precision matters, because one imperfect crimp can lead to system failure. After that, connectors are assembled, seals are added for waterproofing, and protective layers, like braided sleeving or corrugated tubes, are applied. Each branch is fixed and routed to match the vehicle layout. Finally, every harness goes through electrical testing and visual inspection to make sure signals, power, and safety systems work exactly as designed. In automotive systems, quality control is vital, and every step we have strict precision demands.